Restoration is for the protection of land so trees can recover, for the amendment of soil so vegetation can return, and for the thousands of other approaches used to promote the health of grasslands, peatlands, and all other ecosystems that are equally important for life on Earth. But restoration has to be ecologically responsible. It has to focus on soil health, to focus on robust native species. Ultimately, it has to be informed by both science and nature. We are inspired by nature, driven by science. And by using the right science and connecting with local restoration efforts taking place literally all over the world, we can make a difference about biodiversity loss. Whether you want to support a wetland conservation project with huge carbon potential, or simply find which species of plant might exist in your garden and how much soil carbon they could accumulate. We hope that everyone everywhere will have the chance to engage in the restoration movement.